Hi friends, welcome back to Anira Trends. Today I am going to show you how we can make our own sanitary napkin at home. Before getting into the actual DIY, here I have the store-bought one. I'll just give you some ideas, the material used in this kind of napkins. This will be helpful while we do our own napkins. Okay, this is made of cotton, obviously we all know, and this will also contain some crystals so that the flow will become a jelly for the longer period. Okay, and the top layer would be any soft cotton or like any cloth material, and the bottom part, that is the other side of the napkin, would be like a soft plastic sheet that will stop the flow. Okay, and obviously it has wings which has a sticky part which can be stuck to our panties. Similarly we have at the back also. Fine, we should keep all these in mind while we do our napkin. Here I took cotton paper canvas sheet, then this double-sided tape. This is very thin, like our scotch tape or sellotape, not like our regular double-sided tape which is little thicker. This is very thin. We can just peel off that white sheet and use it as tape. Okay, and for the very most bottom I am going to use this carry bag, that is cloth bag. These days we are getting in shops. Either you can use this or any cotton material or banyan material. Then I am using this plastic sheet, that is a carry bag. Make sure that is soft enough so that it will not make any noise. Okay, that is very important. This is a very similar kind of plastic that is used in the napkin, and below that I am going to use this cotton bag, or you can use any cotton material. Okay, this is the cotton. I am going to cut this cotton into a shape. Over to us, I am going to keep this canvas paper. This is the cutout layers of cotton that I have cut from the bundle of cotton. This is in the shape of napkin. Then the soft plastic, keep your soft plastic first, then keep your cotton. This is the cotton material or the paper bag, then this paper canvas. Keep your carry bag, cloth bag under, then keep your plastic sheet, then keep your cotton. Above to it, keep your paper canvas, which has two sides. That glue side should be facing the cotton so that it will stuck to the under fabric that we have used. Here I have kept my cloth first, then my plastic sheet. Then I am keeping my cotton. Make sure that you keep all these in place. Then I am going to keep my canvas sheet. The glue part should be facing to the cotton. Just iron it. Okay. The layer will stuck together and the cotton will be sealed completely. Don't worry about the shape of the pad now, because we are going to cut the extras. Now this is almost done. So you can just see how much strong this one is. The bottom layer and the top canvas sheet stuck together very neatly. Now we are going to give it a nice shape. For this, fold this into two halves and give the shape the edges. You can just give it a random cut, because anyways this is a use and throw napkin, disposable napkin, so you can just give it a random cut. Else you can also make a template and cut it. Now I am going to mark the wings part. Here I am using store-bought napkin for the reference. Again, as I told before, we just don't need to be very perfect in making the shapes. Just give a random cut. That is more enough. As similar, fold it into half with reference to the previous cut. Shape it. That's it. Our napkin is almost done. The only remaining part is to stick our double-sided tape. That is much important. This is done, and to its back side we should stick this double-sided tape. Now it's ready. By doing this kind of napkins at home, we are just not only saving our money but also taking care of our health. Because of this kind of napkins, we get too many health issues. Okay, so by using this kind of homemade napkins, we can avoid those. See, here I have stuck that double-sided tape. You can just peel off. I'll show you. See, you can just peel off and stick to your panty. You can just see this is strong enough. This is strong enough. This won't be detached from your panty. Like our grannies, we cannot use any normal cloth in our period times, because we go out, we work and we roam a lot. So we can't use simply cotton cloth for our periods. Instead, we can make our own healthy napkins at home and use for our periods. Okay, this is a very simple idea. In my future videos, I'll show you what are the other ways to make this kind of napkins. If you like this, give it a like.